Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your speaker EDIFIER MP230 on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings, and then you need to go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. And now I have stock Android, and right here near to the name I have this pencil icon. On some phones it may be at the right top, or some phones have a line with the name. So I'm going to tap at this icon. You maybe need to tap at the line. So then we see this window, and right here you can write the best one for you. You can also remove some text, but I want to only add this one. The most important is to click Rename right here at the right side to save this new name. On your phone it may be Done or OK or check mark or something else. So tap on it, and as you can see we just changed the name. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!